Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study Pharmacology BPT, full guide. Begin by mapping core systems, schedule 3 focus study blocks daily, and prioritize drug classes with high clinical relevance. Use active recall and spaced repetition to reinforce mechanisms, side effects, and dosing. Create visual mnemonics for receptor types and pathways. Review high-yield material before sleep and practice questions under timed conditions to build exam readiness and long-term retention. Approach pharmacology by linking mechanisms to clinical cases, then test your recall with question banks and flashcards. Allocate focus sessions for pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and adverse reactions. Balance passive reading with active explanation, aloud and teach-back methods. Track progress weekly and adjust targets when accuracy falls below 80%. Mix short-spaced reviews for retention and longer consolidation sessions for complex topics every month. Quick recommendation: if this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more study content. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, and it lets you study hands-free while it cleans. Check the description for the link and current deals to save time and money. I appreciate your feedback and requests for future topics. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use layered mnemonics and concept maps to simplify drug families and interactions. Focus on class effects, exceptions, and typical dosing ranges when relevant. Convert mechanisms into short stories or analogies to improve recall. Pair flashcards with spaced repetition software and annotate with clinical pearls. Regularly self-assess with timed quizzes and simulate exam conditions. Maintain a one-page drug summary for quick reference and update it after each study cycle for mastering exams.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.